Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting new version of the Easy-base accessory for the multi-lift system to show you. This system is designed for use in an outdoor environment on rugged surfaces, uneven surfaces. So your regular Easy-base, of course, has much smaller wheels, and these are wider and designed for use on surfaces like sand or lawn or anything like that. Now, you still need to have the Easy-base, of course, on level ground. You should never use the Easy-base on anything other than level ground, but this gives you some great options for being able to use the Easy-base outside, camping, wherever you got some level ground, but you just need that extra little bit of surface area. You'll also notice that these wheels right here are actually set to go straight, so they do not pivot like the other ones. So you'll see how that works, but you still are able to lock the wheels right here. There's going to be lots of other videos in the notes field down below showing you how this system can be used, different aspects of it, and a little bit more technical stuff. This is just a general overview of how the Easy-base outdoor version works. Okay, so our first step here, of course, is going to be to connect the sling. Bring the lift right in here. Okay, so you'll see that once I lift, okay, there's going to be some effort involved. There's no question about it. You're still going on. This is some deep kind of wet grass right here. But because we've got that larger surface area, it becomes possible to do it. Okay, so once we're up and off of the wheelchair, we pull back. So pulling is a lot easier than pushing. So if you can plan your time out and your space and all that, you're going to want to make sure that you do that. Okay, so I'm putting a little pressure here, and there we go, right over the chair. Could be a golf cart, could be a lot of different things. Also, if you look in the notes field down below, we will actually have a video of a golf cart and using the unit in a vehicle in certain circumstances. So once we're all the way down here, we're going to lower, disconnect, and we're ready to go. We've done a nice, easy outdoor transfer. Work with our sales staff to be able to determine whether this is really going to be appropriate for your needs. And of course, please do not use this system in any kind of environment that you haven't really discussed with Access Unlimited. Do not use the system on unlevel ground. That is not going to work. It's a dangerous situation. Or if you have tree roots or big rocks or anything like that, it's still not going to be appropriate. But again, we will work with you. Make sure you can do a safe transfer in this new environment. We'll give you just a quick look here at the system, nice close look. And the great thing is everything is removable. So these wheels can come off, all this comes off, everything folds down, handle pops out, and of course the multi-lift comes off. So it's a great system, gives you some options for when you want to travel and go camping, do all the things you love. Thank you so much for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel and checking out another one of our new and exciting options. If you'd like to learn more about the Easy-base outdoor version, please contact us on our website at accessunlimited.com. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited in general, go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/accessun. We're on X or Twitter at accessun, and you can catch us on Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words, and of course, contact us the old-fashioned way is always the best at 1-800-849-2143. Evenings and weekends are no problem. Country code 1 again, 615-873-0518. Thanks for checking out the Easy-base outdoor version, and check out all the other videos in the notes field down below. Enjoy your day.